Hello friends, welcome to Logical Education. Before seeing the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. In this video, we are going to start with the first science chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation. This chapter is really important for your final exams for class 10th plus board exams. So what does a chemical reaction states or defines is when one or more reactants combine to form one or more products. Just a simple example, that is when hydrogen combines with oxygen in order to form H2O, that is water. This simple reaction is called a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction also has a part, that is balanced chemical reaction. Balanced chemical reaction is a reaction in which the reactant side is equal to the product side, that the number of atoms in the reactant side must be equal to the number of atoms to the product side. In the product side, the hydrogen atoms are 2, but in reactant side, it's just 1. So we will be multiplying hydrogen by 2 in order to form it a balanced chemical reaction. So the next topic is, what is a chemical equation? When a chemical reaction is simply noted in a numerical form, that is 2H plus O gives H2O. This equation is called a chemical equation. Definition: the shorthand of chemical reaction is chemical equation. I hope you are clear with these two topics. In the further discussion, we are going to study about the types of reactions. First is combination reaction. As the name is suggesting, combination reaction means to combine something. When two or more reactant. First of all, I would like to clear you with two things, that what is a reactant and what is a product. Reactant, the substances that are going to be reacted or are being in place of reaction. For example, hydrogen combines with chlorine in order to form HCl, hydrochloric acid. Reactants are always on LHS, on the left hand side of a chemical equation, and products are on the RHS, that is right hand side of a chemical reaction or an equation. So in this example, hydrogen and chlorine both are reactants because they are on the left hand side of a chemical reaction, and the product form, that is hydrochloric acid, is on right hand side, so it is product. So we are back with combination reaction. When two or more reactant combine कंबाइन मीन्स और टू गेट एडेड। किन्हीं भी दो रिएक्टेंट को जब हम ऐड करते हैं और उनसे एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट बनता है, कितने प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं? एक सिंगल बनता है, तो जब हम उसे कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं। इसका सिंपल एग्जांपल हो सकता है जैसे magnesium, that is Mg, when added with hydroxide in order to form magnesium hydroxide. In this chemical equation, two reactants, magnesium and hydroxide, are being combined in order to form just a single product. How many product? A single product, that is magnesium hydroxide. So this reaction is called combination reaction. Next type of chemical reaction comes as decomposition reaction. Decomposition and combination reaction are vice versa of each other, as combination reaction was to combine two reactant in order to form a single product, but decomposition reaction is vice versa of combination reaction, that is opposite of combination reaction. In this reaction, a single reactant means one reactant is breaked or is broken or is decomposed into multiple product. Multiple product means more than two products. For example, 2H2O is decomposed into 2H2 plus O2. This proper reaction is a decomposition reaction or an equation. So in this video we are going to study about subtypes or the types of decomposition reaction. There are mainly three types of decomposition reaction that are in the syllabus of 10th class, that is thermal decomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction, photo decomposition reaction. So what is a thermal decomposition reaction? Thermal, name is suggesting thermal means heat. So the definition of this reaction is when one reactant is decomposed into multiple products by heating, by the effect of heat, is called thermal decomposition reaction. For example, the simple example is when calcium carbonate is decomposed by the effect of heat, it forms calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is really an important reaction that must be learnt by all of you, because this reaction or this chemical reaction is asked in board exams. That is, what is a thermal decomposition reaction? And state an example of the same. The next sub part of decomposition reaction is electric decomposition reaction. Electric decomposition means electricity. So when one reactant is decomposed or is break down into multiple products by effect of electricity is called electric decomposition reaction. For example, 2H2O, the same example. 2H2O breakdowns in presence of electricity in 2H2 plus O2. photodecomposition reaction. Photosynthesis. Photo means in the presence of sunlight, sunlight की presence में. When one reactant is decomposed into multiple products in the presence of sunlight is called photodecomposition reaction. For example, when silver chloride, that is AgCl, 2AgCl is decomposed into multiple product in the presence of sunlight, that is 2Ag, 2 silver atoms plus chlorine. So this proper reaction is called photodecomposition reaction. So these are the three subtypes of decomposition reaction, that is thermal decomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction, and photodecomposition reaction. There are two more types of reaction that are included in all types of reaction, that is endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. This reaction is in the reaction in which a large amount of heat is absorbed. The reaction in which a large amount of heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. The simple example of this reaction is calcium carbonate in the presence of heat. Here we are using heat in the reaction in which a large amount of heat is absorbed. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. And exothermic reaction, it is just the vice versa of endothermic reaction, means just opposite of endothermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, these are the reaction in which a large amount of heat is released, not absorbed but released. For example, CH4, that is methane, combines with oxygen atoms in order to form carbon dioxide plus hydrogen, that H2O, that is water, 2 atoms of water, and heat energy is released. In endothermic reaction, this reaction mainly include the chemical equation or the reactions of which it includes mainly the reactions that are present in thermal decomposition reaction, because thermal decomposition reaction are the reaction in which a single reactant is decomposed into multiple products by heating. That is why these reaction will absorb a large amount of heat. So I hope you must be clear with these subtopics and topics of our first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation in science. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for our latest updates. Thank you so much.